Yes, children, good evening. Actually, what happened? I have seen the quality of the video uploaded by me is not good. Due to some technical issue, the video is not good. So, I will try to once again. Then, our aim will be fulfilled to explain you the trigonometric functions for 18 degree. Let's suppose theta equal to 18 degree, multiplying 5 with both sides, then it becomes 18 5 the 90. 2 theta may be written as 90 minus 3 theta, taking sine of both sides. Sine 2 theta equal to sine 90 minus 3 theta. This is very useful trigonometric functions for 18 degree. Generally, in examination, this is the very useful concept. Surely, the problem based on the concept must be asked in the examination. Sin 2 theta equal to, it is cos 3 theta, first quadrant. Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta into cos theta, and cos theta is 4 cos q theta minus 3 cos theta. Dear children, theta is 18 degree. So cos theta is never equal to 0. Theta is 18. Therefore, dividing each term with cos theta, then it becomes 2 sin theta equal to 4 cos square theta minus 3. cos स्क्वायर थीटा को साइन में कन्वर्ट कर दीजिए. 2 sin थीटा 4 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस 3. ब्रेक दी ब्रैकेट. 2 sin थीटा इक्वल टू 4 माइनस 4 साइन स्क्वायर थीटा माइनस 3. शिफ्ट कर लीजिए. 4 साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस 2 sin थीटा. 4 minus 3, that is 1, minus 1 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation of sin theta. Dear children, we solve this quadratic equation for sin theta, then we will get the value of sin 18 degree. Here, you compare this equation with the standard equation, quadratic equation. 4 sin square theta plus 2 sin theta minus 1 equal to 0. What is the value of A? 4. Value of B? 2. Value of C? minus 1. Then you find the discriminant first. Then it is V square minus 4AC. B square, that is 4 minus 4AC. That is plus 16. So discriminant is plus 20. Then what is the formula? You remember from class 10th. Cos sin theta equal to, here in place of x you have sin theta, so you say sin theta equal to minus b plus minus root d upon 2a minus b, that is minus 2 plus minus root 20 upon 2a, that is minus 2 root 20, that is 2 root 5 upon 8. Taking 2 common, minus 1 plus minus root 5 upon 4. What is theta? Sin 18 degree. What 18 degree is an acute angle. It lies in first quadrant, so any trigonometric ratio is never negative. So you leave this minus sign. Minus sign is not possible. Finally, what is the outcome? Sin 18 degree equal to root 5 minus 1 upon 4. Sin 18 is this, therefore what is the value of cos 72? Obviously cos 72 equal to sin 18. So cos 72 degree is also root 5 minus 1 upon 4. Dear children, cos 72 is root 5 minus 1 upon 4. Sin 18 is root 5 minus 1 upon 4. Then if you write cos 72 in terms of cos 72 in terms of cos only, then you say, sir, it is nothing, it is 2 cos square. 36 डिग्री माइनस 1 इक्वल टू रूट 5 माइनस 1 अपॉन 4. 1 को शिफ्ट कर दीजिए. देन व्हाट हैपन, 2 कॉस स्क्वायर 36 cos 2 थीटा का फॉर्मूला. cos 2 theta is written as 2 cos square theta minus 1. So it is equal to root 5 minus 1 upon 4 plus 1. Then what happened, taking LCM, then you get the value of cos 36. Similarly, you find the value of other trigonometric ratios. Now you take the LCM. What happened? Cos 36 का वैल्यू आपको अगेन देता हूं इधर. Cos 72 तक आप रहे. Cos 72 means sin 18 due to the complementary trigonometric ratios. Cos 72 is written as cos 90 minus 18. So cos 72 and sin 18 are equal. Now you want to up the value of cos 36 degree. Cos 36 may be written as by 2 theta angle formula. It may be written as 1 minus 2 sin square 36. Is it? Then 18. Sorry, 2 sin square 18. मैंने क्या किया, cos 2a इक्वल टू 1 माइनस 2 साइन स्क्वायर ए में 2a का वैल्यू 36 ले लिया. सो ऑब्वियसली a इज 18. cos 36 डिग्री इक्वल टू 1 माइनस 2 साइन स्क्वायर 18. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ साइन स्क्वायर 18? दैट इज रूट 5 माइनस 1 अपॉन 4 होल स्क्वायर. देन यू सॉल्व इट. cos 36 degree equal to 1 minus root 5 minus 1 whole square upon 2. Four का square, that is 2 into 16. 8. 8 minus a minus b whole square का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर दीजिए. So 5 plus 1 minus 2 root 5 upon 8. Break the bracket. 2 plus 2 root 5 upon 8. Taking 2 common. So it becomes root 5 plus 1 upon 4. So what is the value of cos 36? Root 5 plus 1 by 4. This is the value of cos 36. Cos 36, that is, it is also equal to sin 54. These are the way. Similarly, you have to find the value of sin 108, cos 108, etc. But you remember, they are very useful. Sin 18 and cos 36. Sin 18 is root 5 minus 1 by 4. Cos 36 is root 5 plus 1 by 4. On the basis of these two values, we have to solve the exercises. There are two problems I was asked in your test. Actually, you don't know the values of sin 18, cos 36. That's why you all are unable to solve such type of problem. So, the first problem asked by me in examination was
the value of cos 12 degree plus cos 84 degree plus cos 156 degree plus cos 132 degree is.
You want to find the value of these sum of cosine of different angles. First you make the rearrangement. Last value को first लिख लिया was cos 132 degree plus cos 12 degree plus cos 156 degree plus cos 84 degree. Cos C plus cos D, 2 cos 132 plus 12, that is 144 by 2 into cos C minus D, that is 120 by 2, plus in these two cos 156 plus 84, that is 240 by 2, and cos 72 by 2, A minus B. You know this. Cos C plus cos D, 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Now what happened? It becomes 2 cos 72 degree, that is cos 60 degree, plus 2 cos 120 degree, then cos 36 degree. My dear children, cos 60 is 1 by 2, so 2 into cos 72 into 1 by 2. Cos 120, that is 180 minus what second quadrant, that is 180 minus 60, so it becomes minus 1 by 2 into cos 36. Cos 120 का value minus 1 by 2, ये cancel. What is cos 72? Cos 72 is nothing, it is sin 18 minus cos 36 as it is. You recall sin 18 अभी prove किया, root 5 minus 1 by 4, and what is cos 36? Root 5 plus 1 by 4. Taking LCM, then it becomes minus 2 by 4, that is minus 1 by 2 is the correct answer. This is the answer. So I think you get it. In previous video it is not clear due to some technical issue, that's why I am making again. So this is the first part. Now there is another problem asked by these children. Another one is, see the problem of pi by 5.
Correct.
The value of
Cos pi upon 5 into cos 2 pi upon 5 into cos 4 pi upon 5 into cos 8 pi upon 5 is.
You want to find the value of this product. In previous problem we have the sum of the angles. Cos pi by 5 as it is, cos 2 pi by 5 as it is. Now see, cos 4 pi by 5 may be written as pi minus pi by 5. Take LCM, then you get the 4 pi by 5. Here you say cos pi plus tan pi, that is 2 pi minus 2 pi by 5. Take LCM, then you get the same quantity. Using quadrant system, cos pi by 5 into cos 2 pi by 5 into cos pi minus theta, that is minus cos pi by 5 multiplied by cos 2 pi minus theta, fourth quadrant, that is cos 2 pi by 5. Cos pi by 5 into cos pi by 5, that is minus cos square pi by 5 into cos square 2 pi by 5 minus, it is written as cos pi by 5 into cos 2 pi by 5 whole square. What is cos pi by 5? My dear children, cos pi by 5, that is cos 36 degree, and it is root 5 plus 1 by 4. And what is the cos 2 pi by 5? 2 pi by 5, that is cos 72. Cos 72, that is sin 18, and sin 18 is root 5 minus 1 by 4. We substitute these two values here, then what happen? It becomes root 5 plus 1 upon 4 multiplied by root 5 minus 1 upon 4 whole square. Make the simplification of this expression. Then what happen? See, numerator में algebraic identity use कर दोगे आप. Then it becomes minus root 5 minus 1, root 5 whole square minus 1 square upon 4 square whole square. Then it is minus 4 upon 4 square, that is 16 whole square. 4 4 just 16. Finally minus 1 upon 16 is the correct answer. These are two problems. They create the problem of some children, especially for Isika. So please do like this and repeat this concept and try to make the solution or try to solve such type of problem. Children, you know, you get your half yearly, that is PT2 timetable. From 3rd November your test will begins, so you may need such type of concept in next test also. So please repeat, and if you have any other doubt, please once again I am insisting you, ask the doubt, discuss the doubt. This is the way by which you improve your mathematics. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Good night.